Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from vicanalysis.com. I wanted to post the update on the Euro New Zealand dollar since I established selling positions today on this currency pair. I will go through the explanation and my reasoning why I established why I took the sell position on this currency pair. Let's start. This is a 30 minutes time frame, by the way, and let's start observing. First of all, we got a massive drop from the top here, from 1.6540 price drop all the way to 1.6300 in a 30 minutes. So that was a drop of about 230 pips in a very short time of period, and of course we got the volume spike there on a tick volume spiked here. Bar closed almost on the bottom here. The reason for this drop of 230 pips in a 30 minutes approx was about the interest rate decision in New Zealand. They pretty much kept the rates unchanged, and they said also because of the low oil price and so on, they expect inflation strengthening in inflation and so on. And market responded. Market dropped massively and responded lower. So in my opinion, the strong holders show their activity very fast after the news. Anyway, since we must see and follow the price action later on, we don't try to the news, or we don't try to predict the news, and that's what I advise to every trader. That's how I teach my my students. We observe after the biggest news releases and what's the smart money is basically doing. So basically we got a massive drop, and then of course we expect the reaction, the automatic rally. Richard Wyckoff called that automatic rally, or we can call that normal reaction after the strong drop. And that normal reaction came here, and as you can see, the price responded. The very next bar in 30 minutes was up bar, but look at the volume. On the tick volume we also have the below the average volume. I will zoom in this, so you see the volume here below the average. Yes, it was the up bars. There is some demand came in. The very next bar 30 minutes closed a very small range of the bar, narrow spread, volume lower compared to previous two bars. This is a no demand bar. So at this stage they already lost, so buyer already lost the power, and they just actually managed to recover 65-67 pips. So here I saw that there is really no real strong buyers to react in this massive drop, which happened after the interest rate decision in New Zealand. So there is no real, and later on we saw also a few no demand bars. This no demand bar. There is also this sign of weakness. There is a small uptrust bar here, and this all indicates that this is a maximum of the correction. There is a narrow spread bars, volume lower, very low volumes. So there is no professional buyers anymore. This, and the weak holders, the maximum they did is this 75-78 pips from the very bottom. So that was a mess. The strongest reaction they can manage to recover. After that, the supply again came in, and we got a new low. So without problems, price went to the new low, and you see the increasing in the volume here, and price managed to set new low 1.6255 around. Of course, like reaction of that new low, the weak holders came again on the market, normal reaction, and price went higher. Now the London session started at this stage here, and as we need to wait some pullbacks to sell on, I waited to see the price action today to prove that we still heading into the lower price, and that smart money, they're still selling on the rallies. So basically I saw the uptrust bar and a high volume. This is a clear indication that we may see the end of the rally, end of this rally. very soon near this area, and that exactly happened. And even we managed to go to test a few times that area. And this is also no demand bar, the narrow spread of the bar. This is also no demand, so it's still confirming the weakness on this currency pair. Okay, so I sold after this no demand bar, and this was also a nice selling opportunity here as well. With my original stop loss was about 10-15 pips above this uptrust bar, and I already secured, since my stop loss was 45 pips. I'm already right now in plus like 40 pips, so I secure position on break even. Again, it's all about the price action, and it's all about the activity. So you need to recognize what the smart money is doing, what the big boys, let's call them like that, what they are doing and what they plan to do. We observing that without that knowledge of the volume spread analysis and of the Wyckoff analysis, the pure price action analysis, you cannot build that good success as you can if you trade according to the base trade on the volume, on the activity, and observe the spread of the bars and volume on those bars. So again, also I advise everyone to, since this is an intraday setup, intra to short-term setup, I advise you to always trade in direction of the intraday trend. The intraday trend you can identify with, for example, this is a downward intraday trend. How you know? Because you got a lower swing high, you got swing high here, you got a lower swing high here, confirm, and you continue to have the lower swing highs. Okay, so this is confirmation of the downward pressure on the intraday to short-term perspective. Okay, you can also add, I have 21 MA, 50 MA, if you want to help you as well, to identify the trend, the intraday or the short-term, or depend what time frame you're watching. So again, if you see the past here, the price was trading upward, but that news changed everything, and a lot of traders got trapped here. I also got some success. I took the 1-3 ratio, I bought here, but before the news I closed. Okay, so you don't want to chase the market. You never know how the crowd and the smart money will react. So you must close or secure everything before the largest news events and wait the news to identify potential news setups later on. Technically, the price also broke this upward trend line, upward trend channel, and I'm expecting testing of this lowest low point of this channel. So I'm aiming for 200 pips, and my risk was 45 pips. Basically, I'm aiming for 1-4 ratio in this setup. So yeah, again, you must follow the price action, supply demand low. You must secure. I already secured my position 30 minutes after I took the setup 30 minutes ago, and I already secured position. Okay, if you see the 15 minutes is strong downward pressure, and 30 minutes as well. Right now we are potentially trying to build a new low here, and maybe even go for maybe 170, 100 pips lower and create a new low, and then again same thing, the automatic rally, some reaction from buyers and so on. Okay, so that's this analysis for Euro New Zealand dollar. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and if you like my analysis, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel for the new videos. Also, you can follow my work on the Forex Factory thread. The name is The Art of Trading by Petar Serbia, and you can also subscribe on my thread there. If you want to become my student, and if you want to learn my method and how I trade the intraday, and I trade also short and mid-term perspective, my advice is to start my mentorship program. It's a 7-day course where I explain you absolutely my daily routine and everything I'm doing day by day, including watching the fundamentals and the intermarket coloration, the intermarket analysis, together with the pure price action and volume spread analysis and the Wyckoff analysis. I also use the Fibonacci levels and the multi-Fibonacci levels in my analysis, and pretty much the standard formation including as well in that. curse. So pretty much the curse how I trade in my daily routine, and you can learn as well that and trade together with me later on, since I have also my Skype group, and we trade together day by day there, and we try to find the good potential setups every day. I wish you good trading, trade safe, and have a good day.